Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a method of which you can use to make money online in Zambia. Okay, so this is a method that is currently available only to a few selective people. But if you're watching this video, then consider yourself lucky to watch it. So be sure to watch this video till the end. So what is this method of making money online? So I know lately I haven't been really posting videos about making money and stuff like that. Okay, even though I haven't, okay, I still have got some good content that I've actually been posting. Okay, but in today's video, I'm specifically going to show you a way you can actually get to make money in Zambia. Okay, so if you didn't know, I currently have got these courses. So the first course is about how to start a business of buying things online and selling in Zambia. The second course is the complete 2023 Forex course. And lastly, the third course is how to start your own crypto business in Zambia. Okay, of course you can make money if you get to enroll in these courses and try to apply what you're going to learn. But in this video, I'm going to show you another way you can actually make money. So what is this method? Well, this method is simple. Okay, and what exactly you're going to be doing is, okay, you're going to promote my courses. Okay, but why should you promote my courses? Okay, well, this is because, as I said earlier on, this is a method that is only available to people who have bought any of my courses. So when you buy a course, okay, if you'd like to promote it to your friends, if the course has really worked for you, okay, or if you know people who would make use of the course, okay, I've got an affiliate program where I actually get commission if you promote it. So what is this commission? So I'm willing to give you up to 50% commission if you promote or refer any of my courses to anyone. Okay, but why should you promote my courses? Okay, in the first place, why should you? So it would be better if you've got access to any of my courses you'd like to promote. Okay, because I don't think you can promote something which you don't know. I don't think you can promote something that you've never tried. Okay, for example, if you're to promote the Forex trading course to people obviously going to ask you how it has helped you. So it would be better if you can first enroll into the course, okay, and see if it's worth it, and you see for yourself that it can actually promote it and it actually does work. Okay, so you can sign up, you can enroll in any of my courses, and if it works for you, that is when you can actually promote it. But I know you might have enrolled in my other course, let us say how to buy and things online, okay, and you like the way you learned, okay, and you would like to promote other courses. Well, you can do that, it's up to you. Okay, but the part where you have to enroll to promote my courses, this can actually help you convince people that this actually works when you yourself have tried it out than promoting something which you don't know. Okay, so to summarize, yeah, the commission is 50% per sale. Let us say, for example, the cost of buying things online is $5. That is about 100 kwacha, so you get 50 kwacha. The second course is Forex course, is about 2,000 kwacha. The 50% is 1,000. Then the crypto business, the course is $30. That should be about 500 kwacha. You get 250 kwacha profit. Okay, but why should we like, how is my course any different from other courses? Well, when you pay for my course, or when you get access to my course, you get instant access. No need to wait for me to come online to teach you. No need to meet me to come and teach out your people are referring to. Like, once you enroll into my courses, you're going to have access to the course to this website. So you'll be given an account, you log in, and you learn on your own at any time from anywhere. So it's an e-learning platform, and this is how it looks like. So everything is here, the topics, the lessons, everything we'd like to know about making money. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. So you'll be able to see a lot of progress. Yeah, so I guess this is it about this video. So if you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith.